Hello, welcome to a new episode of an ongoing series called Hit or Miss.
In this series, one of our very own video production students will be going to another department in Holland Science Center to learn a specialty from a student.
Joining us from cosmetology are Kristen and Lindsay. They'll be teaching Joseph how to do makeup on the model Saul.
They have 15 minutes to teach Joseph how to do a holiday look.
Okay, so for the foundation brush, find a brush that is pretty densely packed.
I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm the model.
Okay. And then you're gonna find your foundation shade out of the ones that are up there, or the closest one to it. There probably isn't one that's exactly,
Okay.
Before you actually start, sanitize your hands.
I got it. I don't want germs.
And then once you're good, go ahead and dip the brush into the foundation and start applying it at the jawline and then work up and throughout the rest of the face, making sure that it's evenly blended.
Okay, alright, start at the jawline. Come here. Come here.
It smells.
And you're gonna take either a cream or a powder shade that's a little bit lighter than your foundation, and you're gonna go ahead and put that over the eyes for the base.
Okay.
And you're gonna go all the way up to the brow bone.
So you're a pro at this, right? Right?
Yeah, I guess.
Ah, my eye! You poked me in the eye!
You want the color to be kind of vibrant, but not to where it looks like it's like
A clown.
yeah. And we're gonna go right into the inner, not the inner corner of the eye, but right where, above where the lashes start.
You're just poking my
No,
eye.
I'm not.
Whenever you're done. Measure out a space after where the red, your last red line was, about the size of the brush, and then move it over and make another red line going down from the crease to the lash line.
Oh, okay, I got you. Alright. Alright.
And that one's gonna go to the, all the way to the outer corner.
I know exactly what she's trying to do.
And you're just gonna go between the spaces where you were putting the red. You're gonna do the same thing but in white. I'm just gonna fill in the spaces between.
Between the red and the green?
No, it's gonna be red, white, red, white.
Okay.
So there shouldn't be any green on the eyelid.
Oh, this is so Ew. That's a lot.
That's not a lot.
That's a lot.
Alright, I've got it.
And then you're gonna wave the eyelash back and forth. You're not allowed to blow on it to get the glue tacky, but just wave it back and forth. Because whenever you're putting it on, you want it to be kind of sticky.
But not too
So it's not, so it's not soaking wet.
Oh my god, that could not have been more perfect.
Dang it.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. That was really good.
I'm struggling.
Not gonna lie.
I put on lashes all the time.
You're now starting to earn my trust.
Yes. Alright, we're good.
And then you're gonna go over the natural lip line.
Relax.
Oh my god.
Alright.
No thanks, babe.
Jonah, if I don't look presentable, I'm going to hate you.
Comment down below if you think he hit or missed the challenge.
And join us next time for a delicious new episode.